There it is. Waiting on me to come back outside. Sitting on my front porch. It's the neighbor's goat, who I have discovered is friendly, but is very aggressively friendly. So, aggressively friendly neighbor's goat on my front porch. Hi, Billy. You know, man, you're on my porch. Don't eat my lawnmower, man. Don't do that. Why don't you go eat some grass? Go eat some grass, Billy. Go on. You can get off my porch anytime, man. Mr. Billy. See how he does that? See that? That's intimidating to me. That's kind of intimidating to me. I don't think Billy understands that that's intimidating to me, but it is. It's quite intimidating when he does that with his foot right there like that. Well, he's just gonna have a seat and hang out on my front porch, I guess. Signing off. Billy the goat. Say bye, Billy.